I think everything's cleared out of that hole that did have fish. Are you on? You're on. You got a nice one. Just keep going. Just keep reeling. You got him still. You got it here. Here, hold on. Here, just. All right, guys. We are at a nice river spot, and I wasn't gonna record, but I ended up hooking into a little something, so we're gonna get the GoPro and record for a bit. A lot of stairs at this spot, so I'm out of breath. See you down there. Okay, guys. Little catfish. Let's see what else we can do. I did have a little bite that looked like either a walleye or a smallmouth, so there's still hope. I've seen people bend the blades sometimes. Oh, that's kind of hard though. Okay, it's a little bent. Let's see if that fixes it. It's spun pretty easy testing it, so I think it's spinning pretty good now. I find it really hard to believe there's not something hanging out right along that current there. There probably is. Oh! White bass. Wow. Wasn't that something? I got him on video too. That's cool. Wow. Little rocket. Here, don't hook yourself. I got pliers. Okay, it's out. What I got a bag for. All right, there's a little white bass, I believe. Touch fish. Okay. Goodbye, fish. You want to try something different?
Sure.
And try to catch something. Oh, almost lost my rod. Maybe I'll just cast right into that fast water, see what happens. I'm gonna give a cast right along this plant. Right up and close. Nothing. Uh-oh. I'm really worried my hair is going to be in the camera. Oh, something just jumped up there. I'm gonna give it a toss right over where I saw it jump. Yep, right there. I don't think I'm spinning. I'm not. I really should be putting swivels on when I'm throwing these. Otherwise the line gets all turned around, but I don't got time for that. I don't know, there's something wrong with my thing. I'll give it a little more of a bend, see if that does anything. Maybe I'll have to bend it back straight. I just felt something. I can't tell if that was a rock or not. Give it one more go through. I'm gonna use a faster retrieve, see if that coaxes them. Maybe they want that. Let it sink and I'm gonna start burning it. There we go. I'm kind of riding the surface now. I gotta be slow. Do one straight out. That's a smallmouth. Got me at the bank. That's not even a bad one. Fishy. This is probably the guy I saw earlier. Don't get in there. He's angry still. I didn't give him any time to fight. I'm gonna close your gills. That's how you're supposed to calm him. He don't care. Oh, right in his tongue. You don't hold that. Cut it out. Hey. Youch. I keep trying to hand you the pliers.
Bye, fishy.
Smallmouth bass, not a big one. Oh well. Hooray. Release. All right, what do you say? Move on, next spot? All right, let's go. We're gonna go try a creek out now.
Okay, we're waiting for that on.
What's that? I don't care. Please don't do that. Okay, let's go.
Don't forget the locket.
I'll just pretend that they're looking at me because I have cool hair that's hidden. I wonder if under the bridge is the move.
I don't know. I didn't really like being under the bridge yesterday.
Well, the bridge is under the bridge is muddy
Well, it was just...
from the cars. Yeah. Meep. These banks are terrible. I don't know how we're supposed to get anywhere. You can come. It looks good. I don't see any fish yet though. Kaylee, there's a big bass here. Baby deer, baby deer, baby deer.
Oh, I see him. This looks like a rash waiting to happen.
I don't think there's anything bad.
Huh?
Oh, I got thumped by. I saw it. It's this. It's a. Your lure might be actually better suited for this than mine. It just. Oh, I got him.
Can I take him off?
If I get him, I gotta get him up first. No! Okay, guys, that was a big bass. I didn't get a very good hook set, and I didn't have any way to get him up anyways, though, so that's okay. I wasn't even reeling that time, and he just came up and snatched it. That nice bass did. I think everything's cleared out of that hole that did have fish. Are you on? You're on. You got a nice one. Just keep going. Just keep reeling. You got him still. You got it here. Here, hold on. Here, just slow down. Slow reeling. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Don't grab your. You can't grab your line. You can't grab your line. I don't mean to take your fish, but I want to get this. I want to get him up.
Come here, fishy, fishy.
The line will break if I try to lift him. Should I just go for it?
Yeah.
Oh, watch it, spider. Look at that.
Get it off him.
He's fine. It's fine. Hooray for Kaylee. Kaylee beat me at this spot. Look at him. He's on that. All right. You want to hold your fish? Look what she got, guys. Nice bass. Nice little creek bass.
Take a picture of my fishy.
I will take a picture. Hooray for Kaylee. Look like a professional.
Okay.
Good picture?
Yes. Bye-bye, fishy.
Save it. Throw him in. Beautiful release. Sorry. All right, you want to hold the camera for a second while I put my bandana back on?
Yep.
Okay. Fun video. Okay, so you're beating me in size, I think.
Fishy, fishy,
Actually,
fishy.
I think that was close to. You think that was close to the?
We can compare.
We can
Fishes.
compare.
Here's my fishes.
Did we take a picture of my bass even?
And
It's a catfish.
that's the catfish. Just kidding. Okay, fishes today. Fishes yesterday. I think today's is a little bit smaller.
Then your creek chub? No, it's
No?
not. It's way bigger.
Okay.
It should be. Here, you go down there. I'll go here. Not on solid ground. I'm on.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, I think my creek chub just beat yours.
No, I didn't.
No, it didn't. It's still smaller, but it's a big one. Check that out, guys. Ain't that the biggest creek chub you ever saw?
Until they see mine.
Till they see Kaylee's. Yeah, good riddance.
What the hell?
That's a bass. Baby bass.
That's mine's bigger.
Yours is bigger. All right, guys, baby bass. Gone. Look at him go. Shoo. I'm on.
I got a stick.
Oh, this one might beat yours. Kaylee, look at that thing. It don't beat you, but these are the biggest creek chubs I've ever seen. They're like trout. All right, guys. Ugh. Gone. Are we on?
I think I just stuck. I don't know.
Ready to go? I don't want to get hooked when I throw this.
Okay.
Don't try to catch it. Just try to watch where it goes.
Okay, throw it over this. Oh, shit.
What? Oh, don't tell me you lost it. It's black and it's got a little shiny. This is my chance. Oh, I like that cast. There we go. Something. Yeah, I don't want that anyways. That was a creek chub. Tiny one too. No, I got him. I was just starting my camera.
I'll bring him to you.
Okay, guys, look what we got here. Oh my gosh, he's not even hooked. He's just, goodbye. look at him in there.
I don't see him.
I caught a crawdad with my night crawler rigged, what do you call this, rooster tail?
He just got all 3 lures.
All right, what do we got here? Smallmouth?
Small man.
We got smallmouth, look at him.
Oh, 3 lure. Okay, hooks in.
You need the pliers. Let me do it here, hold my rod. Sorry, but this job is beyond you. All right, we're at a new spot. She got this one, or I got it, but she's taking her out, taking the hook out. This is a really pretty spot here. Nice little waterfall in this creek. I'm just sending it out right in those rapids and they're picking it up on the drop. Yes, you may. Catching a lot of these tiny little ones. Show the camera. There you go. Tiny little smallmouths, right on, all in the same spot. They're just schooled under there. All right, give them a nice release.